Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, October 15th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, CDM number 9. Just a reminder, we have our live chat tonight at 8 p.m., which I'm sure we'll have a lot to talk about. And also, the NFL forecast will be coming out later on this morning with my picks and the weather forecast for each game. So it should be a lot of fun. Currently, right now, we have a cold front that's approaching the region. Now, don't worry, not a lot of rainfall. Actually, barely any rainfall at all, as this weak cold front moves through and transports a fresh polar air mass into the region. Currently, temperatures range from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, with a nice northwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. On the radar, you can see our frontal boundary approaching the region. Again, most of this precipitation is barely even reaching the ground. Most of it is focused over the eastern Great Lakes, and by the time it moves through our neck of the woods, it'll be a pretty dry front. So you might have a sprinkle in the Poconos, but that is pretty much about it. You can see a lot of the lifting is very, very weak as well, as it is dropping through very quickly. So it's going to be a quiet day overall. The cold front moves through with generally scattered clouds, and temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast and in your suburbs, mid to upper 60s right along the I-95 corridor. Now for tonight into tomorrow morning, high pressure builds in with a nice northwesterly wind, clear skies, and temperatures plummeting into the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 40s in your urban areas and along the coast. For tomorrow, look for scattered cloud cover with high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the I-95 corridor, and mid to upper 50s along the coast. On Friday, high pressure remains in control with northwesterly winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour and tranquil weather conditions. Low temperatures will be in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, lower to mid 40s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. On Saturday, high pressure passes right over the region with light and variable winds, clear skies. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, lower to mid 40s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s throughout the region. Then a cold front begins to approach, and we'll have increasing clouds on Sunday, but dry conditions. You're going to notice the winds are going to come out of the south, and this cold front is going to have the potential here of developing another low pressure system along it that can make this forecast a little bit more interesting. So on Sunday, right now, just increasing cloud cover and warmer conditions with low temperatures in the mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the I-95 corridor, and lower to mid 60s along the coast. Now on Monday, there's that wave of low pressure. It's a little questionable right now, but let's basically go with widespread showers expected throughout the day on Monday. If this low pressure system becomes as intense as what we're seeing here, then we could be dealing with some heavier rainfall as well. But it's a little questionable to see just how well this upper level low develops. At any rate, definitely going to be a wet start to next week with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, and high temperatures barely moving in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid 60s along the coast. On Tuesday, a trough hangs around the region with scattered cloud cover and a few isolated showers. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s. On Wednesday, the upper level low lifts northward. We have a series of cold fronts moving through with scattered cloud cover and a few isolated showers. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s in the suburbs, lower to mid 50s in your urban areas and on the immediate coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.